In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Canva to your Google Drive so you can open a design or you can start creating design within your Google Drive. So to start with, all you need is to start by opening your Canva. And once you open your Canva, you can come to apps over here. Then you'll be able to see Canva for Google Workspace. This includes Google Drive. So you can click on this and you'll be welcome to this very platform. Okay, so you can just go ahead and install the Canva add-in to your browser. And then you can open any of your drives. For example, I have my drive opening here, and you can come over here. You'll be able to see Canva. Once you click, you'll be able to add new design directly from here. You can create a new design, and then you can select what kind of design you want to, or what kind of folder you can continue to work on, or you can open on any of the documents that you have here. Assuming I open this picture, and by default you'll be able to see this open with Canva open up, okay, pop up. So in all your documents that you have in Google Drive, once you click on this, it is going to open in Canva directly. So you can just follow through and you can open in Canva, and you can now see that you have access to this particular document, and you can go ahead and edit it and customize it to your liking. So you have all the controls you need. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.